This side hustle comes from somebody that's really well known on TikTok and YouTube. He's very popular. He has a couple million followers. His name's Mark Tilbury. And we're going to see if he's full of shit and he's a lying son of a bitch, or is it a real deal? Is it a side hustle that actually works? So we're going to try it right now. And if you want to see what it's all about, you can go to his channel and check it out after, and he explains it more. But basically, the gist of it is, it's called buildyourstore.ai, and it helps you build a Shopify store within a couple minutes, and then you start making money within a couple days. So we're going to try it right now. Let's flip the camera around and give it a shot, and let's see how it goes. All right. This is the website. Here, I've already done the steps to save time, but we're going to go through each one just so you can see what it's all about. So it's called buildyourstore.ai. Okay. That's the logo. Okay. And just to explain a little more about what it is, okay, it says that there's Mark Tilbury there. And it says you can get a free AI-built Shopify store in less than 2 minutes. A fully optimized Shopify store with winning products, ready-to-sell product pages, and private drop shipping courses. That's quite the mouthful. That's quite the promise. So let's see if it really is what they say it is, okay? This Mark Tilbury guy really hypes it up a lot, so we're going to see. Okay, so the first thing is you need to go in and choose your niche. I chose electronics, but you can also choose fashion apparel, and you can also choose some other ones: home garden, pets, sports and fitness, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I chose electronics, so let's go back to the next step. Okay, next step is choose your banners for your homepage. So I just chose ones that appealed to me. There's 2. Okay, you can choose whatever, and then you update it. Next step. Okay, then you create your Shopify account. So I did that. I accessed Shopify and I went through and signed up. And it's $1 a month for 3 months. And there's a free trial. You get a free week trial. And then it's $1 a month for 3 months. So that's plenty of time to try to make money. So I signed up for that. If I don't make any money, then I'll just cancel my Shopify account. So I did that. Then I went in, and the next step was to link my Shopify store. So I found my URL for my Shopify store, and I linked it to this buildyourstore.ai. So that was pretty straightforward. So it just goes step by step. So everything was pretty straightforward. There was a few things that got me a little confused, but I'll get into that in a second. And then there's this grab your Shopify discount. Again, you have to access Shopify, and it wants you to choose a plan. So I chose the $1 a month plan. So it's pretty low risk, right? $1 a month is not a big deal. Okay. Then you have to install this other thing. This is where I got kind of thrown a little bit. And this app that they're talking about is actually called Builder DS. It's a builderall. It's another tool that you need, and it threw me at first, but it helps you choose and build your store. So I installed that, and here, let me just take a look at it. You can go in and customize your store and stuff. So there's a few more little tweaks as you go along. Okay, so I added my top selling products. Okay, now this is called Auto DS. It's a drop shipping tool that helps automate your Shopify store. So it's Auto DS is what it's called. And they have a free trial. So I'm on the free trial right now, and for a month, and then eventually it's $19 a month. So again, if I don't make any money, I'll just cancel it. But you need this Auto DS because this is what helps you build your store. So I had to install that, and then I signed up for their free trial. And then you go and you customize your store again, and you just tweak it, and you go in and add top selling products, blah blah blah. It does it for you as well, and you can also add other top selling products. And then eventually you publish your store, and then your store is live. It gives you a free domain, so I got a free domain. And then this was pretty cool. I didn't expect this. Then you take a course, and the course is free. And I'll show you the course here. Let's take a look. It's by this guy here on YouTube. Let's take a quick look at it. It's a 16-hour free dropshipping course.
Build a store live, put my strategies into action, and work to make it profitable so that you could learn and follow along in real time. This is your complete guide to getting actual results, not just starting, but growing into...
Okay, so let's go in. So I have to go and watch his course. So I've watched the first hour, and it helps you choose, like, it helps you figure out what type of products you should be choosing and how to use the Auto DS and how to do all the automated stuff that it promises and blah, 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 how to find profitable products. So I'm halfway through the course. Okay, so I've done that. It's pretty cool. It's pretty intense. It's like 16 hours long. So it gives you plenty of information. And then after you do your course, then you're pretty much ready to do the next step, which is start making your videos to get people to your Shopify store. Let's go look at my actual Shopify store for a second. I'll show you what the actual finished product actually looks like. I can remember how to get into my Shopify store. Okay, here it is here. Okay, so here's my store. And so you can see that it added a whole bunch of products. There's pricing, there's checkout. And it did this automatically, and there's tons of products already on my store, which is pretty wild. So I was really impressed about that. And there's like hundreds and hundreds of products that it added for me. It's got like these, it just goes on and on and on. Anything it thinks that's profitable. So all this is in my store already that can be purchased instantly. And so it's pretty wild. Like that would take me probably normally, it would have taken me, days to build this, but it did it in a matter of minutes. So that was impressive. Let me flip the camera around and I'll just tell you the next step. So the final part of this is after you get your store set up is we need to actually start making products. So there's two ways to basically, well, there's three ways basically to start making video products. And I'm going to use TikTok for mine. And you can buy your product, have it shipped to you, and then you make a video about you actually film it, post it on your TikTok. I'm not going to do that. I'm actually going to use AI to make my products. So I'm actually going to just use images of the current product. I'm going to go to a video generator, AI video generator, and I'm just going to upload the pictures to the video generator, and I'm going to make some videos that way, so I don't have to buy the product. So I won't buy any products. I'm just going to automate. I'm just going to use pictures, automate them, turn them into videos, and I'm going to post those on my TikTok, and then we'll go from there. We'll see if I can get any sales. So that's basically the test. That's the side hustle test. For in the next couple of days, I'll keep you updated about this side hustle. If you want to go try it yourself, just go to buildyourstore.ai. And you'll know if you're at the right website if you see Mark Tilbury's face on the actual website. Or you can go to just look up Mark Tilbury and he talks about it too. So, and yeah, so that's the side hustle in the gist. Is there any questions? Oh, where's the course? Somebody asked where the course is. The course is, it gives you access to the course after you follow all the steps and set up your buildyourstore.ai. At the last step, it gives you access to the course. But you know what? I can just give you the video. Let me see if I can find the video. So the name of the video is called How to Start Shopify Dropshipping in 2025, Full Beginner's Course. And the name of the actual channel is Auto DS Dropshipping. I don't know if you can see that. So you can just go to their channel, Auto DS Automatic Dropshipping, and that's the name of the video. I will repost this video after we're done the live, and I'll put his link in the comments of the video, and you can go, if you can't find it, give me about a half an hour and I'll post the link to the course. And anyways, I was pretty impressed. And then of course they give you a free trial to Shopify. They give you a free trial to this Auto DS thing. It gives you 16 hours of training. So it's a pretty good shot. I'd say you have a pretty good shot of making money if you watch his course. But hey, I don't know yet. I'm just guessing. I'm hoping to. It all depends really. Will your videos drive traffic? If your videos drive traffic to your store, you'll make sales. But they also do talk about advertising as well. So I'll keep you posted. Any other questions about this before I go? If you do this side hustle and you make money, let me know. I'd love to hear. So chew on that for a while and see what happens. All right, guys, thanks for joining. And I will talk to you later.